of the perimeter of rectangular garden whose length is 4 meter more than its width is 36 meter. Find dimension of garden. Let length be x, width be y. Length and breadth is difference is 4. Therefore, x minus y is equal to 4. Equation number 1. Length plus breadth is equal to 1 by 2 perimeter of rectangle. Length x plus breadth y is equal to half perimeter of rectangle is 36. Equation number 2. In equation first y coefficient 1, in equation second y coefficient 1. Therefore adding equation first and second. Equation first is x minus y is equal to 4. Second number equation x plus y is equal to 36. Minus y plus y cut. X plus x 2x is equal to 4 plus 36 40. Divide to both sides. 2x divide to x. 40 divide to 20. Putting in equation second. Equation second is x plus y is equal to 36. X is 20 plus y is equal to 36. Y is equal to 36 transfer 20 you get minus 20. Y is equal to 36 minus 20 16.